Hi everybody, and welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've done a balloon tutorial, a how-to tutorial, so that's what I thought we'd do in today's video. Today I'm going to show you one of the balloons that I used in my library show a few years ago, Dig Into a Good Book, and that is a shovel. Yes, this piece is great to do for line work. It's quick and easy, or you can add it as an accent piece to a piece that you already make. Let's get started. For this balloon, you're only going to need two 260s, a brown 260 and a gray 260. You can also use silver if you'd like. You're going to blow up the gray 260 with about 4 to 6 fingers of tail at the end. You're going to start by twisting a small 2.5 to 3 finger bubble, and then you're going to make another bubble that's about a hand's width and a half, and then you're going to fold it back up and we're going to make a dog head. Or maybe the head of a bunny rabbit, something like that. Then we're going to make one more bubble, the same size as this bubble here, like so. And then you're going to take the rest of the balloon and you're going to wrap it around the bunny rabbit ears. Like this. Now when you wrap it around, you're going to want to make it kind of tight because of how we're going to make the bowl of the shovel. So I'm going to pull it kind of tight, and then where that meets, I'm going to wrap it into the nozzle. You can see it right there. And we're going to twist it there, and you know what we're doing. Just like this. Now you can break this off, and just to make sure it's nice and secure, you're going to tie it into the nozzle that we had at the beginning. There we go. Now set this aside, and you're going to blow up your brown 260 about halfway. Like so. Now you want to make sure that the length of the brown balloon is proportionate to the head of the shovel. Now the way I do balloons is I always make sure I have enough room at the end to work, but usually more often than not, I'll add more air than needed because I can always break off what I don't use. It's a lot harder to add air than take it away. Give the brown balloon a good squeeze, and you're going to add a loose pinch twist to the top, like so. And this is where things get interesting. You're going to take the bunny ears that we had in the head of the shovel, and you're going to pop them out. Now be careful because this isn't secured, so the bunny ears can come unraveled if you're not careful. Then you're going to take the pinch twist and lock it right into this spot here. And now you should have something like this. The last part of the shovel, what we're going to do is we're going to take the loop that's right here and we're going to wrap it around the bunny ears. Start by picking it up, and you're going to kind of do a roll through like you would with a bird body, but not all the way. What we want to do is we want to tuck this into the top of the loop here. Just like this. Now you can make the bowl, I guess you could say, of the shovel as deep as you want, as shallow as you want. You can give it whatever shape you'd like, but I do like to add 2 more details to this that are pretty quick, and you're going to need a brown 160. Specifically chocolate brown. If you don't have that, you can use black. Now for this part, you're going to make a bubble, a small bubble in the end of the 160, like so, and then you're going to wrap it around the border between the head of the shovel and the neck of the shovel, just like this. Now obviously if you're doing line work, you can skip this step, but if you're trying to make a nice delivery piece, I would certainly add this. It adds a lot to it. Add 1 more pinch twist to the back to stabilize it, and then get rid of the extra, but save it. There we go. Then what I usually do is I measure out how long I want the handle to be, and then I trim it off. I do a tulip twist at the end, and then, just like we did down at the head of the shovel, up here I do another wrap of the 160 that we saved. And there's your shovel. You could use it for like a construction worker equipment. You could use it for some sort of a garden. You know, put the shovel in the garden, put some bubbles of 260 brown around it to make it look like it's in the dirt. Or if you have a little kitty cat and you gotta pick out the litter box, you might need a shovel for that too. So, yeah, that's the shovel. I would love to see how you boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen and everybody out there uses the shovel. So, if you find a unique use for it, post it down in the comments section below. I'd love to see them. And that's going to do it for me for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.